Hello again, it's Britt with ShirtSpace.com. Today we're going to talk about a tee that comes in a fun variety of colors, is incredibly affordable, and is great for printing. If I piqued your interest, stick around. There are a variety of reasons you could be on the hunt for the perfect blank tee. Maybe you need one for your company's recreational kickball team. Maybe you make novelty tees for your small apparel brand, or maybe you need a large bulk order for promotional items for your nationwide corporation. Whatever the case may be, it is a daunting task to choose the shirt to serve as your blank canvas. Let us make it a little easier for you. The Port & Company PC54 Core Cotton Tee is a fantastic choice for a number of reasons. Let's start with weight. The shirt weighs in at 5.4 ounces, making it a perfect midweight shirt, not too heavy, not too light. The cut creates a silhouette around the body that is not too form-fitting, but also not overly flowy or boxy. It's just right. There are no side seams for this adult crew neck, so you have extra room to work with if customizing with a unique logo, message, or design. There are many vibrant and colorful shades to choose from to bring your design to life. Complement your brand or client's color palette perfectly with one of the 52 color options available. Many of the colors come in 100% cotton. 100% cotton is a good choice for printing projects and garment decoration. Just make sure to pre-wash your shirt so that any shrinking doesn't warp your design. And as always, remember that 100% cotton is the ideal choice for tie-dye projects. Many of the neon and heathered colors are a 50-50 cotton polyester blend, with the exception of the ash color, which is 98% cotton and 2% polyester. These shirts are less likely to shrink than 100% cotton, and they are ideal for projects for screen printing with water-based, discharge, and plastisol inks, as well as heat transfer vinyl, but as always, make sure to check your heat settings. And something to keep in mind, Port & Company suggests taking extra care when printing on 50-50 cotton blend shirts that are on the neon colors to avoid dye migration and ink mishaps. Embroiders, we recommend using any fabric this shirt comes in, so stitch away. This shirt is also extremely affordable, leaving people baffled at the quality they receive for the price. This is all the more reason to consider this shirt for buying in bulk, tight budgets, and commercial purposes. Now that you know all about the Port & Company PC54, head over to ShirtSpace.com, the site to visit for all your blank apparel needs. If you have any questions or a tee or topic you'd like us to feature, make sure to mention it in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a wonderful day.